Most law firms do not lose revenue because of marketing. They lose it after the phone rings. Calls go unanswered. Intake questions vary by staff member. Follow-up happens inconsistently, and there is often no clear visibility into where breakdowns occur. These losses are rarely intentional. They happen in otherwise well-run firms. The problem is not effort. The problem is structure. When intake and communication depend entirely on human availability, performance degrades under pressure, volume, and staff turnover. This is where AI can be useful, but only when used conservatively. Not to replace staff, not to make legal decisions, but to enforce consistency. Answering when staff cannot. Capturing information the same way every time. Acknowledging inquiries so people are not left waiting. And preparing information for attorney review. When governed properly, AI supports judgment instead of replacing it. That distinction matters.